Say where.
Oh, yeah, we'll stop there. We don't know where it's going to end up. We are officially on just a little hoarder of tools. Look at this. This is going to save my ass. Welcome back to another episode of Project Driver. Dan Cam is here. Everyone else is here. Say howdy, everyone. No, not everyone. Alright, we've got 20% of people in there. You going to give me a hand, damn it? How long are you staying around for? A little bit?
Just a little bit.
A little bit. Alright, so we gave the other catch can a flick. The one we mucked around with. So we bought some dual radium catch cans. Got two of them. One for the crankcase, one for the PCV valve. So we'll do the PCV valve side first, which is going to be the left-hand side, driver's side. Then we'll do the other side. We're going to move a couple things. Try and keep it short and sweet. This isn't a tutorial. It's just us mucking around, putting it on. So, you know, I'll give you some tips, I guess, but not completely. How about we'll start. So this is dual radium. I don't know the complete specs of it. I did have them written down somewhere when I got them about 7 months ago, about that. They've been here for a while. So we'll get to it. Alright, we're going to put the bracket on here. So we need the hardware. No, we need the hardware. That is maybe one. That looks like the hardware. Definitely the hardware. So we've got
Countersunk, yeah, countersunk for these bad boys.
Yep, alright, let's get them out.
Stroking that beard so.
Right, 3mm Allen key
They're all the same.
in there. Ignore the vocal language behind me!
Banter. Banter!
Usually they go quiet when I yell, but they didn't today. What up, Dopey? Can you line the hole up, please? I know it's hard. There we go. I know it's a hard job.
Special.
Yeah, I'll give you two. You do two, I do one.
I'm holding the... Holding.
You don't need to hold it. It's
Helping.
in. It's in there. So, dude, we haven't even shown them what the goodies are. No, open this. Nah, they're just brackets and hoses and all that stuff. Because the last problem that I had with my catch can is because there is vacuum in the car for the PCV valve. The pipe was squishing where this pipe, it shouldn't squish. So, radium dual catch can. Unscrew that bad boy right there. Unscrew it. No, what are you doing? The whole thing, bro. Come on.
Oh yeah, I get you.
Do it. There we go. All the way. Powder coated.
Nice.
Powder coated black. Nice cut threads. It's all nice. This green thing here is like your dipstick to see how much oil is in a catch can. You got a little baffle up here. So your inlet is this one up the top. Your outlet is here to continue down the line. And that's it. That's all you get with your big bucks. And that's one all set up with the bracket. Brackets come, so like they actually sell these, the catch cans throughout everyone's car, so various cars all have the same catch can. It's just the bracket and maybe the hoses, the lines and the fittings and stuff might be different, but most of it is the same. On the brake booster side, so that's the driver's side, down in the Oz, all I've done so far is I've removed this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt and these two lines here, which this one here is for the hood release, and then this other one is something that I've been working on in the meantime. But there isn't much room here, so I'm gonna have to get Damn It Cam to come and help me. And then make sure your hood release is in here. It's loose, or you can go round and you can use a factory clip. You can pop that guy in there. I'm gonna pop it in there if it does fit, or I'm gonna spare part box. This guy. Move that in the right direction.
Say where.
Yeah, we'll stop there. We don't know where it's gonna end up, so these can move. I'll probably want to be able to get to this dipstick, because to try, you can untwist it from the bottom. You can untwist the whole thing and drop the whole thing out. That's how you can empty it. Or at the bottom, there's an Allen key, and then you can tip it in something and move it out. But that's why you have this little guy here. Oh no! No! Monica!
Monica!
Where's the magneto extendo? Can you reach that? That's in there deep, like.
I see it. Here, hold this.
You can't get that.
It's under your...
We need the magneto. Where is the magneto? You got it! Yeah, boy!
You can't get that.
No, I was like, you damn it, Cam, can't get it.
Doubt me.
Alright, we're gonna start. Yeah, it's a dipstick, same as this guy here. Come on. Come on, guys, we know cars. I probably don't. I probably shouldn't be working on one, but...
I don't know what I'm actually doing.
No. Obviously, with my engine being an FA, it probably doesn't need these things at all. Bunch of reviews. You don't need them. You don't need them unless you're going to run boosted. Blah blah blah. The aim of the game is to be boosted eventually one day. This is just for my peace of mind. So we got the PCV valve. We talked about that in an earlier video. If you want to know why you need a catch can, Google it, and it'll tell you exactly. I can get into it, but I can't bother explaining it. All it is pretty much you get oil in your intake. That's what it comes down to, because that's how engines work. Oil gets past the piston rings and so forth, and it gets pushed up into your intake, and this goo goes back into your intake because it goes from your block, from the top of the block, all the way back over into here, and that's what we want to try and prevent. We don't want it to go back in because we want nice, clean, cold air. So we got to take this guy off. Yeah. Got that guy off. Alright, so this line here, it's going to get split. Instead of going straight in now, it's going to go over here into the inlet. It's going to go all the way through that baffled thing, come back up, go out the outlet, and it's going to shoot straight back into the intake. And this bad boy should clean up all that crap,
Gunk.
all that oil from the block.
There was metal, like chunks of metal coming out of my car.
Yeah, you're telling me. Damn it, did an oil change and you got some prizes at the end of it. Oh, apparently we have all the things that we need. Who knows? Alright, not that one. We need this other piece.
Isn't there one in here?
Yeah, it should be. How many hoses we got? Alright, we've got...
That's a decent amount.
I did want a nice clean cut, but...
That's not too bad for what it was.
for a hack job.
As you can see, there's not a lot of room to work with. Not the worst though. You can try and be working down there.
Subarus, man.
Technician and...
Looks like it's just me and Blake now.
Nah, I can't do it.
Shit. Ricky! Ricky! Get out the roof! Ricky's the dog, he lives in the roof. He doesn't, but would like to pretend that he does. Alright, so it looks like I've got all my bits and pieces. I'm going to be doing this one solo while Blake's smashing out another video for you guys at home, because that's what he does best. Alright, so got our second catch cam. We're going to go crankcase, so that's passenger side now. Hopefully all these hoses and stuff fit like the other side. I've just still got to zip tie everything, hose clamp everything and stuff like that, do all that cool stuff. Oh, but here we go, rev match, boy, the rumble bumble. Oh, he didn't rev match. Oh, there we go. All right, let's put these two together. You've already seen that, so ready? We are officially on. So that's another splitter thingy jig. Then we've got the top one, which is an elbow, 90 degree, and then we've got the straight one for the outlet. So we'll put them two on. Look at that, we did a thing. We did half a mod. Now this side's on battery side, so this is where it's going to sit. So I need to remove this 10mm, this 10mm, which is ground for the battery. Yep. And then we're going to sit in there. So I'm going to have to turn that around, which is easy, and then might have to move that loom down the bottom, and it should be all good. I'm recording this one hand because Blake's smashing our video, so it is what it is. Is that a bit of a clusterfuck, as Bippity Bop the doc would say? Alright, so first things first, my problem was the battery was too far forward. There's a battery tray, so I've brought it all the way out, and then just I'll clamp that guy down there. That's fine, it doesn't need to clamp exactly in the middle where it was. This loom was hard up against the battery. I've just moved it to hard up against the strut tower and the guard. And now this guy, I removed the negative and I turned it from, it used to be running parallel with this plug here, and now it's to a 90. So you got two options, which now that guy should sit on there in fine. It should be good. So that's that problem out of the way. And now this guy, inlet, outlet, they need to run across and they go down to this guy here. So I might be lucky enough and be able to pop it off, or I might have to undo. Actually, I might just undo this one and take my tray off. Alright, got my thingy off. What's that thing called again? My tool tray, is that what it was?
Yeah.
No, it was a cover, the alternator belt cover, the stuff. Including tool tray, which we can't use as a tool tray today. So this is the one that goes down to the crankcase and then goes into the intake. Just get that guy off. We're gonna take. Oh, come on! Oh, we did it! We did it all by ourselves without Blake. So this one has to up into the inlet, goes through the baffle in the catch can, out the outlet, shoots straight across and back into here. Which way I'm going to route it is probably the shortest way, which is straight across. I'm going to make sure that my little box to Toyota cover fixed on the top, but other than that, they give you that little fitting. Where's the fitting? This guy here, they give you this guy to go in this one. The reason they give you this guy is so then you don't have to get your hands all the way down into there, which you have to pull your alternator. No, you don't have to pull your alternator, you have to pull your aircon, your AC. Pull your AC off to get down there. So I guess it saves you a bunch of work. That doesn't seem to be too badly kinked, so that one's going to be a real short one. Where is my short pegs? Look at this. Is this. Oh my god. Oh, it's a little bit too short actually. I'll get it going. I'll go from here to this piece here. Off camera, because it's just hard for me to do two things at once, but we'll do that. I might actually do both of them, and then I'll show you which way I routed it, and then we'll crank it over, make sure there's no leaks and stuff, and then we can tighten everything, zip tie everything, and get on with our lives. It's a nice bench, Blake.
Bench nice. Yeah.
Blake has got a very good habit of buying tools and just buying them. Just a little hoarder of tools. Look at this. This is going to save my ass. Plenty of bananas saved today from this bad boy. Make sure your cuts are nice and straight. I don't even know how to use this tool, to be honest. Whoa! Yeah, and then you just crank her over. And then when you're done, you just bam! And the dirty's gone. Alright. The darkness is approaching rapidly. I worked as quick as I could. Tidied some things up. So we'll start from here, my Goretti intake. This piece here, this elbow, actually fits his hose. Grouse job Goretti. Don't know if you fluked that or Radium fluked it to match that, or if that is actually just the size of the factory one. Not sure. So I'm going to do the best I can to record and put a camera. I can't really point, but I'll point. Yeah, I don't know. So it goes from here. This is the outlet hose, which is the inlet for the intake. Comes up, goes down the bottom, straight run. It's pretty good. Then we've got this guy here, which is the inlet, which comes all the way down from the crankcase side, which it's so hard to record and talk and hold things all at once. But you see the one with the clip right there? That's where it goes, and it goes down. So you've got that little adapter piece, which is male? Yeah, two male ends. Yeah, two male. Yeah, I got two male end fitting, which fits into the crankcase side there, and runs up there. I've done all that, fixed all that. I ended up going back to how it was originally with the battery. I didn't turn it to 90 degrees. They're both running parallel. I'm just going to move my speaker wire, or my sub box, my amp wire, which is on top of my terminal there. Then we're good. Then we can tighten everything up, and then we should be good as gold. So yeah, apologies for the darkness, but can't really do much. Blake's still smashing out the vid, the vlog for the fam. that's all done. I'm going to button all that up. I'm going to start the car. And then we're going to see what else we can do while Blake's still editing.